Why is it that whenever new CEO of Cricket West Indies, Mr. Chris Daring, speaks on the challenges facing West Indies cricket, it's filled with generalities and devoid of specifics? There went Mr. Daring again, speaking to the role played by franchise cricket in the demise of the regional team. Mr. Daring did identify the challenge of West Indies players opting to play cash-rich franchise cricket instead of representing the West Indies. But he was towing the line between directly criticizing franchise cricket and blaming its critical effects on the regional team. He then pivoted to his platitudinous hobby horse, the need for more resources to enhance proper development structures and blah, blah, blah. But again, Mr. Daring, development of what? Development of who? Youngsters who either not interested in playing for the West Indies, or for those who are interested, it's all about big money cricket. Development of what, Mr. Daring? Mr. Daring, you're not hearing.